Okay, so word today is phenomenon. And a phenomenon in physics is something that's observed to happen. And this is a good time to talk about most of, if not all of the words I'm going to be defining for you today. I'm talking about when we use them in physics. Some words have slightly different meanings when you use them in the context of physics versus when you use them with, someone else who is not taking physics. And so we want to pay special close attention to what they mean in physics, especially if there's a difference. Phenomenon is a word though that pretty much means the same thing in physics and outside of physics, right? It's just something that we observe. Okay, so what's an example of a phenomenon? Well, maybe the most famous example is Newton and his tree. So let's draw a tree. And we all know what happened. Well, maybe not. Maybe we don't all know, but we will all know shortly what happened as Newton, who was sitting there, had, fortunately or unfortunately for him, so the story goes, an apple fall and bonk him on the head. And, what did Newton say? What did he think? Apart from, ouch, this hurt, he thought, well, this must be because of a phenomenon, and he gave that phenomenon a name, and it is gravity.